Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to change TikTok account profile picture. So let's get started our video. First of all, launch on your TikTok application. Okay guys, after launch on your TikTok application, then go to your profile. There you can see I added all on profile. I want to change my TikTok profile. And guys, before starting our video, I want to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. And if you want to change your TikTok profile picture, just tap on your edit profile option. Just tap on edit profile, then here you can see profile icon, change photo. There have a option change photo. Just tap on this change photo option, and then there have a lot of option. Take photo, select from gallery. If you have any photo on your gallery, just select from gallery option, and then you need to select any photo from your gallery. I select any photo randomly, then confirm it. Now you can custom it, replace it, and then tap on save option. It's loading now. That's it. Now your TikTok profile photo already changed. So there you can see it's loading. It's loading, and you can see it few moments later. So guys, in this way you can change your TikTok profile picture very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.